Hey guys. We just had a nice day at the office. And now we're gonna do a, what is it, 2 or 3 year car review? Because my time with this car is almost up and I don't know what I wanna do. I fucking love it. Like, this is the first car I don't wanna get rid of. I love it. So you gotta tell me what to do, man. See, if I had 1 million subscribers, we'd be talking about a Revolto right now. So make sure to subscribe, because right now we only got an M4. But anyway, fuck, that jumping made me tired, bro. But anyway, guys, so this is the M4 competition. It's a 2024. I know I'm gonna get roasted in the comments. You don't lease cars if you're smart with it, but what the fuck? Every 3 years I switch a car. I get that, you know, new butterfly feeling, but this car is so special that I think I might keep it. So that said, you know, obviously it's what, 503 horsepower, it's a convertible, it's M4 competition, it's like the best of the best that you can get. And I just enjoy driving it. It drives like a dream. I didn't have major issues with it apart from like little electrical stuff that fixes itself. On every BMW forum, when you go on, they say German cars, if something breaks, just leave it, it's gonna fix it itself. And I have experienced that with this car. Like, for example, I think it was because what happens is when I go in, you know, you touch it, it opens, and what I would do is I would touch it and open it really fast, and the lock gets like fucked up. So from the inside, when I would close it, I wouldn't be able to open it from the inside, and I was like stuck. So I was like panicking. I didn't know what to do. What happens is the computer resets, and after like 10 minutes, it's fine. But that was like the major issue. Then sometimes once every 6 months, I'll get like a notification saying, take it to the nearest dealer because there's a power supply issue. It also seems like a computer glitch. So before I consider buying this car out completely, I'm gonna make sure all that shit is good. I'll take it to like a third-party BMW specialist, not just the dealer, because the dealer's gonna, you know, butter me up and fuck me pretty much. So I'll make sure to get a third-party test on this. But other than that, it's been fine. You know, my biggest worry is the top, right? I use the top quite a lot, whether it's summer or not. I open it 2 or 3 times a day and close it. So a total of like 5 to 6 opens and closes. So I'm just worried that, you know, this is not gonna last that long because it's a really complex mechanism. And actually when I created a POV video on this channel, shorts of me driving, and I was talking about that, I got roasted in the comments saying, you can't afford the car if you're worried about fixing it. And I'm like, brother, it's not about the money, it's about the fucking time. A tire takes me fucking 6 hours to go in there, drop it off, pick it up, wait for it. Sometimes it's a 2-day process, right? It's a waste of fucking time. So if you want to count money, I'm losing money by waiting. It's not about that I can't afford it. It's I don't want to waste my time. And this is part of the reason why I always switch a car every 3 years. Like, the premium you pay for the lease gives you peace of mind that, you know, major shit isn't gonna break. So my options are buy this out, which I'm leaning towards because I'm gonna have some equity in the car, or get the new M4, let's say 2026 or 2027 model, or completely get something else just to have fun for another 3 years. I was thinking of an X6M or an X6, or maybe go back to an AMG or something. I don't know. So, you know, you guys can help me. You drop your opinion in the comments what you think it should be, because I don't know. Like, I'm leaning towards buying it out. It only has 13,000 miles. It's brand new. It drives like a dream. Just keep it for another 2 or 3 years and then see what I want to do there. But let's take it for a drive. We're gonna go to the beach. Just had a nice day at the office, so we're gonna film some more YouTube videos and we're gonna take it for a drive. So I play soccer with a guy that has an M5 Estate, and we were talking about cars, and you know, he buys his cars usually, especially if it's like an M car. And he told me like, yeah, you should probably buy it out. You're gonna have some equity in it, which I calculated it might not be a lot, but it seems like I will have equity in the car. So if I drive it for another 2 and 3 years and I take good care of it, I'll get some cash back after, you know, if I decide to sell it one day. But he basically said something, he's a very like, I don't know what word to use. He's a functional guy, you know, comes from a wealthy family. He's done well himself. He's like very head on his shoulders, like just cool, nice guy, super nice. And he said, listen, the M4 is more of a car than you ever need. Like, what are you gonna get, a 1,000 horsepower car? Like, you can't even use this car to its ultimate potential. So because he said that, it kind of makes sense, you know, in terms of like speed and stuff. I don't need anything else, you know. Like, my dream car is a Lamborghini one day, yes, but it's not really for speed. It's more for like just the experience of having these cars, right? In terms of like everyday driving, this car is absolutely perfect. My only gripe is the tires get used up really quick, and it feels a little scary to be on the highway because it's low, but that's any sporty car. So especially in South Florida, the highways in South Florida are deadly, quite literally, statistically speaking. So I try to avoid taking this car on the highway unless it's like close. If it's like a 1, 2, 3 hour drive, I'll take a Jeep and just call it a day. But other than that, this car is, you know, it's so fun for a daily driver. Just around town, you drop the top, you have fun, and it's beautiful, right? It still gets looks, it still gets eyes if you care about that. I always say the story that originally I wanted just the 430i convertible. I just wanted a convertible, but I was getting this car at a time when cars weren't readily available, and this was the only convertible in the shop, and it was all black. The sales guy from the gym, I met him at the gym, sent me the photo, and I was like, fuck. I was like, how much more is it? So he gave me the number. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna enjoy it, and we'll see how it is. And I have loved every single second of it. So yeah, let me know. What should I do? Should I buy it? Should I just get the newer one? I don't know. This is an awesome car, and I can see why the M4s are so sought after, and that, you know, it's many car guys' dream car. Makes sense. I always used to be like, why does everyone talk about an M4? Like even the generations before this, and now I see. It's just a wonderful car, and that's that. Bonus story time. So one day I was driving with my top down. It was the summer, so it was empty, and I'm at the lights, and some guy pulls up to me. You know, I'm listening to music, just minding my own business, and I hear, hey! So I'm like, oh, fuck, because I hate when people talk to me. Like, they think because my top is down, they can just talk to me. Usually it's positive. They're like, hey, nice car. But this guy, fucking typical South Florida, I don't even know what the word is, flexor, I guess, older guy, middle-aged, you know, looks like he has soft hands, never worked hard in his life, and he goes, how do you like this car? And I'm like, it's great, I love it. He's like, why not a Porsche? I'm like, what? I don't know, I prefer BMWs. He's like, I was looking at a Porsche, and mind you, he's in an X5, which I would never ever talk shit about an X5. I love the car, I think it's a beautiful car. It's very functional, and you know, it's a Beamer. The inside is the same. It's an SUV. And he keeps on going like, yeah, but my golf bag wouldn't fit, so, you know, I got this. And I was like, cool story, bro. But this guy had to stop at the lights, yell at me, get my attention, and try to flex on me that he was looking at a Porsche. Like, bro, what the fuck? Like, I've never had that happen before. So that's just interesting. You know, you're gonna have to, especially if it's a convertible, you're gonna have to deal with a lot of people like trying to talk to you about it, especially if it's car guys. And 98% of the time it's very positive, but the other 2% people just think you're a douchebag. But that's with any car, any nicer, faster car. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you ever want an M4. You're gonna get attention, and 2% of it is gonna be fucking annoying. So yup. So anyway, guys, you let me know what you think I should do. I'm leaning towards buying it out and, you know, keeping it for a while. Maybe I just want to keep it, pay it off completely, and then get another car. I don't know, we'll see. But as of right now, that's what I'm leaning towards. But if you disagree, let me know why. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.